Hey everyone, it's Rachel and today I'm doing a little unboxing video. I'm already in love with the company Verilux. I use their HappyLight every single day. It's been a game changer for me. It gives me so much energy and it's just such a high quality product. Like there's no way I wasn't going to love it. So when I found out that Verilux makes this, they make a sanitizing wand that sanitizes things with a light. So if you don't already know, I'm super into natural everything. Like I haven't taken a pill like Tylenol, Ibuprofen, anything in years. I won't use toxins in my home. I use all natural everything to clean. And I don't want to say I'm a germaphobe, but I'm very aware that there's germs everywhere. So currently what I do to clean around the house, like I take this little spray bottle of a high potency rubbing alcohol because it kills kind of like everything. And I go around the house and I spray doorknobs and light switches and TV remotes and like little things like that that are just seem like hard to clean, but I know that there's germs all over them. And honestly, every time I spray something electronic with this liquid, I'm like, this is probably not the best idea. But I didn't know like how else to clean this stuff easily. The fact that I can go around my house now and clean with a light, you guys have no idea. I'm gonna be all over this house today. Doorknobs, light switches, the handles of scissors, pens, pencils. Do you ever think about that stuff? Like, there's germs on all of it. So, Verilux makes this. They call it the CleanWave Sanitizing Wand. It kills up to 99.9% of germs on hard surfaces. It destroys odor-causing bacteria, it sanitizes without chemicals, and it's effective on allergens. I also have terrible allergies. So this thing, in as little as 1 second, you can kill viruses, bacteria, mold. I could not be more excited about this. I just have to get it out. Okay, this is super light. So it just comes in the box with an instruction manual. So you're not supposed to look directly into this. You're not supposed to put it on your skin. Those seem to be the only like warnings. It also has a built-in safety feature that after 10 minutes of continuous operation, the unit will shut down. If you're still using it, just turn it back on, but that's cool that you can't like leave it on forever. And there's an internal safety switch which will automatically turn the system off if the light source is turned upward in order to protect the eyes from exposure. So that's really cool too, like just in case you're not thinking about it and you turn it up, it'll turn off so it doesn't get you in the eyes. So there is a little list of features in the instruction manual. It's laboratory proven to eliminate up to 98% of germs and bacteria in just 1 second. It kills germs on keyboards, remote controls, and electronics in seconds without residue. It sanitizes bathroom surfaces quickly and easily without chemicals. It fits easily in your purse or your luggage. I mean, look how small this thing is. It's very small, it's very lightweight, and it comes with this strap so you can keep it around your wrist, and it just makes it even easier to hang on to. Not that it's hard to hang on to, it's super comfortable. And there's just a little button right here. I think I'm gonna need some batteries. Okay, so 4 AA batteries, they just slide right in here. And then the top just snaps on. Okay, while holding the wand with bulb facing down and away from skin or eyes, press the large blue button for 3 seconds. Begin sanitizing by holding the wand as close to possible and no more than 1/2 inch above the surface, and move wand slowly side to side in a 1 foot area. The effectiveness depends on direct exposure, duration, and intensity. Place the wand as close to the object as possible, preferably within 1/2 inch. Okay, well, I have this box cutter that I use to open this. Oh, so interesting. I thought this was going to be like a really bright light. I guess you can see it in the video. I thought it was going to be like I thought it was almost going to be like a flashlight type of situation where I could see where it was glowing, but I guess you don't really need to see it. And that's that. I just killed all the germs on this thing. Like, to turn the wand off, press the blue button again until the green light goes out. So the green light is right here on top. It's just a glowing green light, so you can see if it's on without looking at the blue light. And so hold it down, it goes off, it gives a little beep. So cool. So they also give you a little list of like ideas of things to clean, and steering wheel is on here. Oh my gosh. I think about that all the time because like I'm in stores, I'm touching money, and then I'm touching my steering wheel, and then that honestly stresses me out so much. I'm so happy I can clean my steering wheel with this. Light switches, shopping cart handles, because you can just put this in your purse. You can pull it out, and honestly, like, it goes so fast. It's not like people are gonna see you. You just turn it on, get the handle, put it back in your purse. Faucets, toys, computer, keyboards, remote controls, airplane and train headrests. That's genius. Shopping cart handles, alarm clocks, cell phones, basically anything that you're touching all the time. And like I said, I'm gonna do like pens and pencils and scissor handles, things that just get touched all the time that you don't think about and that I wouldn't necessarily clean otherwise. But this is so easy. I feel like all of my desk stuff I can just put out on a counter and clean the whole thing really fast. I'm super, super excited about this thing. This also comes with a 1-year limited warranty. And like I said, I have a HappyLight by this company that I'm really happy with. So I'm just really loving this company, the things that they make. They're making things that make it easier for me to live this natural lifestyle and like thrive in it, and doing it in a way that their stuff is aesthetically pleasing, it's high quality, and this is just genius. I'm so excited to go clean my whole house with this thing, you guys. Oh, and I just saw, even if you don't want to like read the instruction manual, there's a sticker right on here with a quick start guide. Insert 4 AA batteries. To turn on, press the blue start button until beep. Slowly wave wand as close to the surface as possible. And they do recommend removing the batteries when not in use. So this whole thing is just, I mean, it's small, it's lightweight, it's going to kill all of these germs, it's easy to use, there's instructions right on it. I feel like they just could not have done this in a better way. Thanks so much for watching today, everyone, but I have to go sanitize my whole life right now.